Hi, I'm Cristin Lowe, a California Certified Family Law Specialist, and welcome to our video series on how to begin your divorce. So we are going to be taking you through all of the mandatory forms that you need in California to begin your divorce process. And this applies to whether you're the petitioner, meaning the person filing for the divorce, or the respondent, meaning the person responding to the divorce. You've already been served with the divorce papers and you want to figure out, how do I begin my process as the respondent? So there are basically four different scenarios. You can be the petitioner with minor children of the marriage or of the relationship, or you can be the petitioner and you don't have minor children. The third scenario is that you're the respondent and you have minor children of the marriage, or you're the respondent without minor children of the marriage. And each one of these scenarios is going to basically put you in a category of which forms you are required to fill out. So our video series covers the forms that you need for all four scenarios, but depending on which of the four scenarios you find yourself in, you may or may not need all of those forms. For a comprehensive list and more explanation on which category you might fit into, you can visit our website, which is CristinLoweLaw.com, and we have an information sheet, a checklist, if you will. So basically, if you are the petitioner with minor children, you're going to need the following forms. You're going to need the petition, which is FL 100, the summons, which is FL 110, the UCCJEA, which is FL 105. You're going to need a proof of service of summons, which is FL 115, and if you plan on serving your spouse by mail, you will need FL 117, FL 117. If you are the petitioner and you don't have minor children, all of those forms except FL 105 apply to you. So you're going to need FL 100, which is the petition, the summons FL 110, the proof of service of summons, which is FL 115, and if you are planning on serving by mail, you'll need FL 117, which is a notice and acknowledgement of receipt. If you're the respondent and you're the respondent with minor children, you're going to need to review the forms FL 120 and FL 105. And if you're the respondent without minor children, you are going to be filling out FL 120 only. In addition to all of those forms, everyone in those four scenarios are going to need the other four videos, which are FL 150, your income and expense declaration, FL 142, your schedule of assets and debts, FL 140, which is the declaration of disclosure, and finally, FL 141, which is a very long title. It's a declaration regarding service of declaration of disclosure and income and expense declaration. And so our video series is going to walk you through all of these forms that you need to get started on your divorce. A little bit about me. I'm a divorce attorney, but what you don't know is that I grew up actually in a family of doctors, and it's a long story on how I became an attorney, but I was raised with this value of helping people, and that was something that my mother and father really drilled into me as a child, which is it doesn't really matter what you do. You can choose to enter the family profession of being a doctor or not, but whatever you do, you need to help people. And I really took that to heart and trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my career. My passion happened to be law and helping people with their family law matters, and specifically with divorce. And I created this video series as a way to reach a greater member or portion of the population. So I can't represent everybody in California, and you might be watching this video in Los Angeles. And here I'm located in the San Francisco Bay Area. But these forms, they matter to you and they're important for you to get through your divorce. And this is my way of being able to help you in just kind of a limited way. But I hope you find the video series helpful. Best of luck to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through my website, CristinLoweLaw.com. The phone number here is 925-215-1388, and my email address is Cristin@CristinLoweLaw.com. And our first video up in the series is going to be the petition, FL 100.